Hello friends, I am Ashish from Way to English. Why English is important in worldwide? Reasons to learn English. In this video I am going to tell you. The following are a few of the most common reasons why people around the globe learn English. The first reason is people who speak English have more job opportunities. Businesses need employees who can communicate fluently with English and speaking partner and clients. In addition, entrepreneurs can access a far wider range of customers. It's online by using English. In the US or other English speaking countries, people who can speak English are at a real economic disadvantages. The second one is, since English is a language of science and technologies, English speakers have more opportunities to work with others in this field and to share ideas and innovation in worldwide. The third point is, when their children are learning English in school, parents who speak English are in a better position to help them and even communicate with their children. In families who are living in an English speaking country, the children often grow up speaking better English than their parents' language. The fourth point is being able to speak English. It makes it easier to travel because English is spoken as a first or second language in so many different countries. It is always easy to find English speakers as well as printed information in English, especially at hotels, restaurants, and in areas frequented by tourists. The fifth point is the English language gives students access to information and researchers. Since many of the top academic journals and published in English, students are academic need strong English reading and writing skills. Moreover, for a research study and other publication to get sufficient attention, it should be published in English only. The future of English as a global language. You know that the number of English speakers around the world has been on the rise of many years. With the current number of approaching 2 billion, according to the same estimates, the fact that so many people now use English as either its first or second language indicates that English is likely to remain a globally dominant language. For many years to come, this is the most important of English. So my dear friends, thank you. For more English videos, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel.